Hello everyone, my name is Jyotsna. On behalf of our Team Tech Divas, I'm going to present you the idea pitch of our project. Our Team Tech Divas are going to combine with the Team Captivators to come up with this product. So let's see what it is. So the theme of our product is to develop a low-cost fish stall and also an app development. So the main intention of building this idea of developing this project is to the certain problems. So let's see what the problems are. So the problems are due to the lack of marketing infrastructure, which leads to less demand of the fishes, and also there is unhygienic way of selling the fishes, which leads to various health issues. So if there is a lack of infrastructure and no ventilated environment, makes the people and sellers and the customers feel uncomfortable and feel suffocated within the environment. And also the unhygienic marketing environment leads to various types of health issues. Due to the stagnant fish water, it leads to various vector-borne diseases like malaria and lymphatic filariasis. So due to this, there is an imbalance between the suppliers and also the customers. So we have come up with certain solutions for these problems. So let's see what the solutions are. So the solutions are well-developed and sophisticated channel system, which helps in easy passage of the drainage water, and also to provide a ventilated environment so that there is a pleasant environment for the customers with the suppliers or the fish sellers. And also we thought of building an app application which helps the easy delivery of the fish to the customer's house. So next, let's see what the product is. So this is our product. So here in this type we provide a ventilated and drainage system, and this is a low-cost fish stall. Here we keep the fishes. Then this tray is for keeping the fishes for selling, and there is a pipe connected here which helps the easy passage of the fish water. And the box here, the box that you see here resembles this, and here this box is mainly used for storing the fishes for the next day. So in order to preserve the fishes in ice, we use these boxes, and we have a pipe connected to these boxes so that the ice water can easily flow. And this tray that is being used, it also acts as a lid. So as we close it, it is being used to sell the fishes. So let's see the underlining and magic of this product. So it helps in assisting and it helps in maintaining hygienic and clean environment. This product also, due to the pipeline system, it avoids the spillage of the fish water in the surrounding environment, and also avoids creating a fouling smell in the market. So, and hence it helps to keep the environment clean, and it increases the profit, and home delivery, it plays a vital role in delivering the fishes to the customers. So the fishes that are available in their local areas are just can be made available to the customers through home delivery. So let's see the business canvas model of this product. So this is the business canvas model. So the app development application that we are using, through which we supply the fishes to the customer's house. So it includes certain types of fishes. That is, the app includes certain features, which includes the fishes that is available in their local areas, and make them to access those fishes. And the key partnerships are the home delivery suppliers, and the cost and revenue systems. For the stall setups, we require almost around 4,000 rupees, and for the steel material, it costs around 500 rupees, and the tray, pipelines, or many other accessories, it may require around 2,000 rupees, and also for the extra activities or for the building an application, So we have kept it around 500 rupees. So total cost for building this is 700. So as there is a high demands of fishes, there is this product makes the customers to and also the marketing sale go smoothly. So let's see the future roadmap. The future roadmap of this product is we are going to present this idea to the fish sellers, and also we are going to inquire with certain experts from the fisheries sector related to this idea, and also develop an app which has certain types of features, and also with the help of this app we can deliver the fishes to the customer's house, and even the fresh fishes can be fresh and seasonal fishes can be accessed to the customers easily through this apps. And we have to contact with certain home delivery suppliers also to and also ask them for assist in selling these fishes to the customers. So through all this we can make the sales and the marketing we can get progress in the marketing of in the fish sectors. So this is what our project is. So thank you.